For your upper body exercises, we're gonna start at chest level. Showing you from the side here. You're just gonna open, okay, 3 times, 12 repetitions. Second exercise, down below, open up, 3 times, 12 repetitions each time. Third exercise, up above your head. And for you, you can come to the front. If you're able to, go to the back. Okay? 3 sets, 12 repetitions. Then we have our Excalibur sword draw. It's across the body. 12 repetitions, 3 sets. Same thing for the other side. 12 repetitions, 3 sets. Then we're going to go back behind. So to show you, you're here and apart. 12 repetitions, 3 sets. Then we're going to try to lift from here and pull apart just slightly. 12 repetitions, 3 sets. Show you from the side on this one. We're lifting up. Okay? Good luck.